मैम वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है।
Okay, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today the network is very unstable, so you have to be even if you get disconnected, you stay online. Okay, so So today we will study this poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Okay. So this is the poem of the First Flight book. First Flight book. So this is a very humorous poem, and all the characters in this poem are animals. So today we'll study this. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes,
Hello, can
ma'am.
you? Okay. So the tale of Custard the Dragon. The tale of Custard the Dragon. You can keep your book open in front. First Flight poem it is. And it is a humorous poem. You know the meaning of humorous? What is the meaning of humorous? Hello? Tell me the
Ma'am,
meaning of... yes. What is the meaning of humorous? Humorous means? Hello? Hello?
humorous.
Humorous. It's a very common word. Humorous means funny. Something which makes you laugh. So this is also is a humorous poem. And most of the characters are animals. And in this chapter, we'll come to know that the dragon in this poem, how the dragon who is considered to be a coward, all of a sudden, he shows great courage. So Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little gray mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a Realio Trulio little pet dragon. Now this Realio and Trulio, it means really and truly. As I told you earlier also, in poems to make words rhyme, there may be error of spellings. That is permissible in a poem. So Realio Trulio, what does it mean? Really and truly. So Belinda lives in a little white house and she has many pets. Belinda lives... Can you hear my voice? My voice is clear? Hello?
Ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the title of the poem is The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Tale means, as you know, tale means story. So through the medium of this poem, the poet is telling us the story of a dragon. The dragon who was thought to be a coward, but all of a sudden he shows great bravery. So Belinda lives in a little white house and Belinda has many pets. She has a little black kitten, then she has a little gray mouse, she has a little yellow dog, and she also has a little red wagon. Wagon is the vehicle. And a Realio Trulio. Really, truly. Realio Trulio means really and truly. Little pet dragon. So Belinda lives in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little gray mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a Realio Trulio little pet dragon. Belinda has many pets. Who are the pets? She has a black kitten. She has a little gray mouse. She has a yellow dog. And she also has a wagon with her. And she also has a little pet dragon. Okay. So now Belinda has given all the pets the names. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. As the kitten is blackish in color, She has named the kitten Ink, and the little gray mouse, she called him Blink. So, uh, Belinda has many pets in her house. Belinda has many pets in her house, and she has given all the pets the names also. Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Okay. So, she has many pets. Little black kitten का क्या नाम दिया है? Ink. और mouse का नाम उसने दिया है Blink. And the yellow dog was sharp as mustard. The dog is yellow in color, so she has named her dog Mustard. And the black kitten, she has named it as Ink. The gray mouse, she called him Blink. And the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Dragon का भी नाम था. Dragon का क्या नाम था? Custard. And the dragon was a coward. You know the meaning of coward? What is the meaning of coward?
डरपोक.
Ma'am, डरपोक.
डरपोक या कायर. कायर भी कह सकते हैं. तो बेलिंडा के पास बहुत सारे पेट्स थे. Kitten, mouse, dog, and dragon. 4 pets she had. And she had named all her pets. The kitten was black in color, and the kitten was called Ink. The gray mouse was called Blink. Then the yellow dog, as it was yellow in color, it was called Mustard. And then there was a dragon whose name was Custard. And Realio Trulio, as I told you, the spelling is really and truly. In the poem, sometimes you have wrong spellings just to make them rhyme. So Realio Trulio means really and truly. So the Belinda is the name of a girl who had 4 pets in her house, and she had given each of the pets names. She also had a dragon, and everyone thought, सारे लोगों का opinion था कि dragon बहुत ही डरपोक है. And the dragon's name was Custard. The dragon's name was Custard. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. As we are all aware, dragons have sharp teeth, isn't it? Dragons have sharp teeth. So this dragon Custard also had a sharp teeth and spikes on the top of, he had spikes on the top of him and scales underneath. So this dragon, he has spikes on his body. Spike means, you know, pointed things. Spikes means pointed scales. So this dragon, he had pointed structures on his body. Spikes means the pointed structure. As if you must have seen the dragon's body, is it smooth? Have you seen the dragon? Is the dragon's skin smooth?
No,
Or it
ma'am.
has spikes? It has spikes, thorny structure on its body. So those are the spikes, thorn-like structures. So the dragon's body is very rough. It has spikes. So this dragon, Belinda's dragon, Belinda is the name of the girl who has the 4 pets in her house. So Belinda's dragon, it has spikes on his body, and its teeth is very sharp teeth and spikes on top of them and scales underneath. And below the spikes, the dragon's body is covered with scales. Most of the reptiles, their body is covered with scales. So here also, Custard the dragon has sharp teeth. It has spikes on its body, and it has scales below the spikes. Mouth like fireplace, And the dragon's breath is said to be very fiery. The dragon, when it breathes, its breath is very hot. तो ड्रैगन के माउथ को फायर प्लेस से क्यों कंपेयर किया गया? Because its breath is very hot. So the dragon's mouth is compared to a fireplace because it gives out hot breaths. When it exhales, when the dragon exhales, it gives out hot breath. So the dragon's mouth is compared to a fireplace. Chimney for a nose. And the dragon emits the hot gases from its nose. What comes out from the dragon's nose? ड्रैगन के नाक से जो हवा निकलती है वो बिल्कुल गर्म होती है. इसीलिए ड्रैगन के नोज को चिमनी कहा गया है और ड्रैगन के माउथ को फायर प्लेस कहा गया है. Why is it so? Because the dragon, when it exhales, it gives out very hot air. That is why the nose is compared to a chimney and the mouth is compared to a fireplace. And the dragon's body is very rough. The dragon has spikes on its body. The dragon has scales on its body. Can you hear me? Voice is clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, ma'am.
Okay. So, Belinda, and the mouth is compared to a fireplace, the nose is compared to a chimney, and realio trulio, as I told you, really truly, daggers on his toes. Now the toes of the dagger, the toes of the dragon, they are very, very sharp. Why is the toe? Toe means, you know, the nails of the feet. The toes are the nails of the feet. The dragon's nails are very, very sharp. That is why it is compared to a dagger. Dagger is a sharp weapon. Dagger is a sharp weapon. And the toenails, they are so sharp that they look like daggers. Very sharp, very pointed, and the toenails, they look like daggers. So the dragon Custard, the dragon whose name is Custard, it has spikes on its body, it has scales on its body, its mouth is like a fireplace, its nose is like a chimney because it gives out very hot gases, it exhales hot gases. The body is very rough, it has pointed structures on its body, it has scales on its body, and this dragon is considered to be a coward. It always runs away from danger. The dragon is called a coward because it never wants to face any danger. The dragon wants to run away from danger. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears. Now Belinda is a very brave girl. Barrel full of bears means Belinda is very, very brave. Barrel is a vessel, big vessel. And Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Ink is the kitten. The Ink is the kitten and Blink is the mouse. तो cat और mouse जो थे वो बहुत बहादुर माने जाते थे. और जो ड्रैगन था जिसका नाम कस्टर्ड था उसको सब लोग बहुत डरपोक और कायर समझता था. और इंक और ब्लिंक जो थे उनको सब लोग बहुत ही बहादुर समझता था. Ink and Blink are considered so brave that they can even chase the lions. Ink and Blink are considered so brave that they could even chase the lions. Chimney for a nose. So, barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chase lion down the stairs. Why is it mentioned they chase lion down the stairs? This is mentioned to show their bravery. Ink and Blink, they are cat and mouse, but they are ready to face the lion. They even chase the lions. So, chase the lions. It points out that the kitten and the mouse are considered to be very brave. They are so brave that they even chase the lions. Ink and Blink, they even chase the lions. And Mustard was as brave as a tiger in rage. What is the meaning of rage? R-A-G-E, rage. Ink and Blink chase lion down the stairs. Hello, anyone? Can you tell the meaning of rage? Hello.
Ma'am, angry.
Yes, very good. Divyani, you have answered, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Rage means anger. So write the meaning of rage. Can write the meaning of all the new words. Rage. Rage means anger. Realio, trulio, we लिख लो really and truly. So rage means anger. So the two pets, the kitten and the mouse, they are considered to be very brave. They even can chase lions. And the other pet, the dog, that is all. The dog is also considered to be very brave. The dog is compared to a tiger in anger. So the dog, Mustard. Mustard is the name of the dog because the dog is yellow in color. Because the dog is yellow in color, it is named Mustard. The kitten is black in color, so it is named Ink. And the mouse is gray, it is named Blink. So cat and the kitten, the cat and the mouse, they are very brave. They can even chase lions. And the dog, it is also very brave. It is compared to a tiger in anger. Underline कर लो, ये simile है. Comparison between Mustard, the dog, and tiger. So this is the figure of speech is simile, as brave as tiger in anger. But Custard cried for a nice safe cage. What about Custard? Custard did not want to face any danger. Custard only wanted to go and lie down in a safe cage. Custard wanted to be away from all kinds of danger. And what did Custard prefer to stay? Where did Custard prefer to stay? Custard जो dragon था, वो बस उसको बस एक safe cage चाहिए था. The dragon, who is described in a very elaborate manner, the dragon which has spikes on its body, which has scales, which has sharp nails like the daggers. Daggers on his toes, and he just want this Custard. He was a coward. He just wanted a safe cage. Belinda tickled him. She tickled him unmerciful. Unmerciful means very unkindly. Tickle means just poke your fingers in someone's body. Gudgudana जिसको कहते हैं, tickle. So Belinda just moved her fingers on the dragon's body very cruelly. Unmerciful means unkindly. Right? The meaning of unmerciful, unkindly, with cruelty. And Ink and Blink chased lion. Ink, Blink, and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. Now, Percival is the name of a very brave soldier. Percival is the name of a brave soldier. तो यहाँ जो है कस्टर्ड को परसिवल क्यों बुला रहे हैं? वो परसिवल तो कवर्ड है, उसको they are passing sarcastic comments on him, व्यंग, sarcastically. the dragon Custard is supposed to be very coward. But why they are calling him by the name of a brave soldier? Because they are sarcastic towards him. So they are commenting on him by calling him the name of a brave soldier, Percival. So Percival is the name of a brave soldier, and Blink and Ink, in a way they are making fun of him. By calling him a brave soldier, they are making fun of him. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon, and all of them, they are sitting in the vehicle, that is the wagon, and all the three pets of Belinda, that is the kitten, the mouse, and the dog, all are making fun of the dragon, saying that he is a coward, and that is why they are just making fun of him by calling him by the name of a brave soldier, that is Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon. All the other three pets of Belinda made fun of the dragon, as they thought that he was a coward and really a truly a cowardly dragon. Belinda also made fun of the dragon, not only the pets. Belinda herself also made fun of the dragon. She tickled him very unmercifully. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. Giggled means laughed. So here Belinda is laughing, and Belinda laughed so loudly that she shook the whole house. Can you hear me? Voice is clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Belinda laughed so loudly, giggled means to laugh. Belinda laughed so loudly that she shook the whole house. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. And Blink said, weak, which is giggling for a mouse. And Blink just emitted the sound weak. What is weak? It is the giggling, laughing sound of a mouse. The mouse giggles by emitting the sound weak. Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age. So here we can see that all the three pets of Belinda, they have cornered this dragon. All these three are united. They consider themselves very brave. And this poor dragon Custard, they all make fun of him. Belinda very unkindly, she pokes her finger in his body, that be active, be brave. She is very unkind towards the dragon. And the other three pets also, they make fun of the dragon by calling him the name of Percival, a brave soldier. And the dragon, he tolerates all this. He does not react. He just tolerates all this fun that everyone is making. And Belinda just laughed at the cowardice of a dragon. She laughed so loudly that she shook the house. And Blink said weak, which is giggling for a mouse. The mouse Blink also laughed at the dragon. It was saying that, see, we are cats and mouse and we can chase lions. What about you? Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age. And Ink and Mustard, the kitten and the dog, they asked the dragon's age. They were all making fun of him. Ink and Mustard really asked his age when Custard cried for a nice safe cage, and Custard wanted to be away from these animals. Why Custard cried for a safe cage? Because all these three pets of Belinda, they made fun of him. So he always cried for a safe cage. When Custard cried for a nice safe cage, suddenly they heard a nasty sound. Now all of a sudden, as I told you, the poet is narrating a story. Through this poem, the poet is narrating the story. So what happens? All of a sudden, they hear a very rough sound, a nasty sound. And Mustard growled, and they all looked around. And Mustard, the dog, just growled. Okay. So all of a sudden, what happened? All of a sudden, they could hear a rough sound, and all of a sudden they could hear a nasty sound, and Mustard growled, and the dog, he just growled. When the dog feels that there is some danger, it starts growling. So here also the dog Mustard growled, and they all looked around, and everybody started looking that from where this nasty sound is coming. Everybody started looking that from where this nasty sound is coming. Everybody started looking from where this nasty sound is coming. And Mustard growled, and they all looked around. Meow, cried Ink, and ooh, cried Belinda. So everybody, they hear this nasty sound, and they are just trying to find out who is the person who has made this sound. And all of a sudden, they saw a pirate. Pirate is a robber, sea robber. All of a sudden, they saw a robber had entered the house. A robber has entered climbing the window. Now, window means window. You just in the bracket, you write window. Here, window. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, window. विंडा जो वर्ड है उसका मीनिंग है विंडो. तो अचानक से क्या हुआ, बेलिंडा के घर में एक पायरेट घुस आया. सब लोग जो है वो ड्रैगन का मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, क्योंकि सब लोगों को लगता था बेलिंडा के जो बाकी जो 3 पेट्स थे, कैट माउस और डॉग, वो तीनों को लगता था कि वो लोग बहुत बहादुर हैं और ड्रैगन जो है वो कायर है. तो तीनों मिलके जो है ड्रैगन का मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, और बेलिंडा भी ड्रैगन का मजाक उड़ाती थी. और एक दिन अचानक से एक जोर की आवाज आई, एंड दे स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग that from where this sound is coming, and they saw that a robber had entered the house, a pirate, through the window. Window means window. Bracket you can write there, window. It window means window. So we'll continue in the next class because it's already time. You have to attend your next class. Okay. And then tomorrow I'll complete this poem. Okay. Okay, bye all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
One chapter is left in that other book, and this half poem is left. Then our syllabus will be complete, and one by one revision will go on. Holy chapter is left in that other book, that is Footprints Without Feet. अभी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Be prepared. Most probably it will not be postponed. Most probably it will not be postponed. So don't get relaxed. You keep preparing. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अभी तो ठीक है, half this poem is left and one chapter is left. 1 week, within 1 week I'll complete the portion. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye.